Are you looking for blog ideas? So you want to know what type of blogs you should write. So you're always thinking that, hey, what should I write my blog in? Or how can I decide which type of blogs I should be writing? And one of the main reasons people write blogs is to keep their users engaged. It helps with search engine optimization. So you're climbing up the ranks. And there's an infinite number of reasons why people need to write blogs. But the key is that a lot of people, what they do is that they write blogs randomly. They think, oh, I think I'll write a blog about this, or I think I'll write a blog about this. But rather than that, it's always great to write a blog based on some sort of information that you've already got, what people are, your customers are actually searching for. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can get blog ideas, blog creation ideas. And the fifth one, oh my God, it's one method that it's like everybody should be using it, but people are just not using it enough. And I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing to use this method of determining what type of blogs you should be writing. So let's get into it. Most of these methods I'm going to show you are absolutely free. Some, to get more information, you need to sign up to, but I'll tell you that as and when we get on. Guys, before I do continue, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so that, if you want to know more about how you can get your SEO rankings better, how you can make your Google ads work better, your Facebook campaigns work better, how you can make your business more profitable, and so on, why don't you just hit that subscribe button? Because I do release weekly videos on this type of topic to help business owners and marketing managers to get more business, get more inquiries, get more leads, and so much more around digital marketing. So let's get on with the show. The first method is by using Google. So let's assume that you're a mortgage broker. Okay, so I'm going to use a mortgage broker in all my examples. Then all you need to do is you just type in mortgage broker and press enter. So what you want to do, you want to scroll down the page and you want to get to the section which says people also ask. And this is what people are actually typing into the Google page. So what they're doing is that, like, for example, you know that because Google's recommending this, people are actually typing in, what does a mortgage broker actually do? Is it worth paying a mortgage broker? What is a mortgage broker good for? So these are topics that you can write blogs on. Obviously, you don't have the data, you don't have the statistics as to how often these people are searching for these, but it gives you a good idea. And the great thing is, as and when you click on this, see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 listings here. As and when you click on them, Google is giving you more recommendations. So you can click on that and it's giving you even more recommendations like, does a mortgage broker cost money? Do I really need a mortgage broker? Is it free to speak to a mortgage advisor, and so on? So this is one way that you can get ideas for writing blogs, right? It's a great way. It's free. You don't need to pay for anything. You don't need to sign up to any sort of service. It's just there available to you for free of charge. The second way you can create blog ideas is by using the Uber Suggest tool. And to get to the Uber Suggest tool, you simply go to neilpatel.com/Uber Suggest. Now, again, this tool is free to use, but if you pay for it, you get more information. So you can get more information, more ideas, more keywords, and so on. So, again, in this instant, I'm going to type in mortgage broker. And there is a huge advantage to using a tool like this, which I will cover for you in just a second. You select your location. So in this case, I'm in England, UK, and you click on the search button. So what you can see here now, if you scroll down the page, is that you're getting suggestions of keywords, mortgage broker costs. And it also tells you, this is the great thing, it tells you how many times a month people are typing this keyword into Google, right? So in this case, almost 3,000 times or 2,900 times, mortgage broker London, 2,400 times, mortgage broker Glasgow, 1,009 times. And over here, you're also getting questions as well, questions that people are asking regarding mortgage brokers. So what is mortgage brokerage? How how become does that doesn't really make sense. How become mortgage broker? But people are typing it in. So it's probably how to become a mortgage broker, but people are actually typing that in. Can mortgage brokers get better rates 260 times? So you can write blogs around this type of content. So if you know that, hey, what you're doing, you're giving valuable advice. So if, for example, you decide to write a blog on can mortgage brokers get better rates, you can then write a blog about how mortgage brokers can help to get better quality or better rates, and then at the end of it you can have a call to action, say, hey, if you're interested in a quote for your mortgage, get in touch with me. So that's like a call to action. And then this tool also gives you something called prepositions. This is the way it's actually worded. So for example, mortgage broker near me, mortgage broker Birmingham, and so on. And so again, it's giving you a lot of statistics, and then comparisons: mortgage broker versus advisor, mortgage broker or bank, mortgage broker or advisor, and so on. So these are all ideas that you can write about when you're trying to work out blog ideas on what to actually write about. Obviously, I'm using the word mortgage broker. You'll be doing it according to your industry, whether you're a plumber, a dentist, an aesthetics expert, a therapist, or whatever industry you're in. Now, obviously, what you can do is you can scroll down the page here, and what it's done is that it's actually shown you that, okay, these are some people that have already written a blog. Like in this case, what is a mortgage broker? And this person has written it, and then it tells you how many visits this person is likely to get from that blog. So it's 148 visits a month. What is a mortgage broker, and do you need one? And that's what these people have written. So what you can do, you can take a look at these people and see what are they doing good. How can I improve it? Model it, and then do your own improved version of this. So it does give you a whole load of information, but obviously, if you sign up to the tool, you get a lot more information. You get a lot more ideas about the blog. So when you click on view all ideas, you can see that because I've actually signed up, you're going to get a lot more information. But not only that, you'll also get ideas on if you were to use Google Ads, or if you were, or pay per click, what is the cost per click likely to cost you? So in this case, mortgage broker is likely to cost in the region of about £11 20 pence. So that's a huge amount. So can you imagine if you were ranking on the first page of Google and people are typing in mortgage broker, you're saving out on £11 20 pence per click. And this is what this sort of tool can do for you. And then over here, it's got the SEO difficulty. So it tells you how difficult it is to get this word ranked within Google, right? So again, you can use these ways to determine, should I write a blog about this, or should I write a blog about something else, which is maybe a bit less competitive, right? So you don't want to go for a high competition keyword straight away. You might want to go for something a bit lower competitive keywords. So this is how you could use the Uber Suggest tool to get blog creation ideas. The third way you can get blog creation ideas is by using a tool called Answer the Public. Now, I absolutely love Answer the Public because, again, it gives you a lot more information, but it's more oriented towards this type of thing, right? So, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in mortgage broker, make sure your country is right and your language is correct, and you click on the search button. And again, very similarly to the previous tool, it's giving you a bit of a visual representation of, look at all these. Are mortgage brokers fees tax deductible in UK? And it gives you the search volume of these. And this keyword over here, for example, are mortgage brokers free? And then you got the can keyword. So these are R keywords. These are can keywords, like can mortgage broker work independently? The how keywords, how mortgage brokers works. Does a mortgage broker get paid, and so on. So this is absolutely fantastic. And then it got the what, the when, the where, the which, the who, the why, and then obviously it's got its own color coding in it over here. So the darker the color, these are highly searched for. Average search, and the lighter the color are the lowest searched keywords. So again, it gives you some brilliant ideas as to what you can do. For example, of this over here, it's got a darker circle in it, so it's searched for a lot more times. Why mortgage brokers via banks? So it might be a blog that you might determine that, hey, let me write a blog on this. Okay, now you can see again, the search volume for people just typing in the word mortgage broker is 22,200 times a month. But you don't want to be writing a blog just on the word mortgage broker, because it's going to be very high competition. It's going to be very, very, very difficult to get your website ranked, or your blog to be found, unless you've got a very established website. And only then you should be thinking about these sort of premium keywords. So that's how you use Answer the Public to get blog creation ideas. Another way you can get blog ideas or blog creation ideas on which blogs you should be writing is by using the Google's Keyword Planner tool. Now, for this, you need to have a Google Ads account. It doesn't have to be running. You just need to have an account on Google. And then what you can do is, when you go to the Keyword Planner tool, you can simply click on, and I will put these links in the description box below. Got my tongue twisted a little bit. And then you can click on Discover New Keywords. So over here, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in mortgage broker, and I'm going to show you another way too. Okay, so bear with me if I can get my spelling correct. Mortgage broker, and I'm going to click on get results. But this will show you more keywords, as opposed to just unlike Answer the Public, whereby it's showing you the actual questions, right? So these are now typing in. So if I search down the page here now, you can see that over here it's typing in mortgage broker near me, home loan broker, online mortgage broker. And again, it shows you the search volume, that how often these keywords are being searched for. So for example, if you want to write a blog about online mortgage broker, and you know that it could be very high competition, right? In this case, the competition factor is medium. You could make it into a slightly longer tail keyword, like book an online mortgage broker, as an example, which again brings the competition down, but you're still making use of the word online mortgage broker, independent mortgage advisor, and so on. So this is really brilliant for getting especially data on how often people are searching for these types of keywords on the Google page. And then you've got some other ways you can filter the search results, but we won't go into all this. But again, it's a brilliant tool to get some blog creation ideas. The final way, which people are just not utilizing at the moment, is by using AI to find blog writing ideas, right? It's an absolute fantastic way, but it is dependent on the prompt that you give it. In other words, that if you ask it a poor question, it's going to give you poor quality results back, or maybe not the highest quality results back. Okay, so in ChatGPT, what you can do, you can tell it to, hey, write me a blog about a mortgage broker. But that's not the best way to do it. The best way to give instructions to ChatGPT about blog ideas is by giving it a bit more context about who you are, or who your ideal or your target customers is. So in this case, let's say, for example, here's a good prompt, or a reasonably good prompt. I am a mortgage broker based in London. I specialize in mortgages valued at above £1 million. Can you give me three blog ideas for blogs I can write that my potential customers may be searching for? Now, this is a much better prompt rather than saying, just give me three blog ideas, because now you're homing it in to actual industry, your actual niche, and so on. So now let's see how this goes. Look at this, right? So, how to secure a mortgage broker for high valued properties in London, right? And it gives you some context as well. So, content focus, provide a comprehensive guide in the process of obtaining commercial mortgages for properties above £1 million, explain eligibility criteria, how valuations work, and the steps involved in applications and processes. Why this works? Many prospective buyers in this range are looking for straightforward advice on the process, especially in London's high value property market. This blog positions you as an expert and can help answer the most common questions, and so on, right? So again, it's giving you another idea here: 5 mistakes to avoid when applying for large commercial mortgages, and the future of mortgage property investments in London. Why this is so these are fantastic ways on how you can determine what blogs to write, what blog creation ideas you can have, and they are all around your topic, so they're highly relevant. So I hope you found this useful. What would be really good to hear from you that what was your best method out of all the methods that I've shown you? I've shown you 5 different ways on how you can get blog creation ideas. So which one resonates with you, or which one are you likely to use? Are you using a different method? Are you using some other method to work out what type of blog to write? If you are, just let me know in the comments description box below. I would love to hear from you. If you've got any questions about blog ideas, what type of blogs to write, and so on, just drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care. I look forward to seeing you on another video. Goodbye for now.